Hello everyone. Today we're going to create a factorial design. The package we're going to use is FielDHub. So first of all, I'm going to run the code library to run this package. There are two ways to create a factorial design using FielDHub. The first way, we're going to label the treatment automatically. And the second way, we're going to label the treatment manually. And now we're going to create for the first option. The code we're going to use is full_factorial. And in the code, we're going to use set factors. The set factors that used to set the factor and also set the number of the levels for each factor. For example, in this case, there are two factors and each factor have two levels. This is a replicate and we use 3 replicate for the design. And else is the number of location and we use 1 location. And type is a type of design. There are 2 options. Number 1 is for complete randomized design or a CRD. And another option is number 2. Number 2 for CRBD. A CRBD stands for complete randomized block design. Plot number is a number plot and we set as 101. And seed number we use 325. And last is the location names. We use greenhouse. Now we're going to run this code. After we run the code, we can check the information of the design. You can see here there are 2 factors, A and B, and the level of each factor are 2, 0 and 1. There are 4 combinations, and here is all treatment. Number of replicate is 3 and the location is only 1 location. And this is the name for location in greenhouse. And the type of experiment is CRD. And this is the number level for each factor. Now we're going to see the design as a table by running this code. As you can see here, this is the design as a table. The first column is ID, the second column is location name, and the next column is plot number. And this is a replicate. There are 3 replicates. And this is a factor A and this is factor B. And this is a combination of both factors. We also can see the design as a graph by running the code plot. As you can see now, this is the design as a graph, and this is a CRD design. You also can create CRBD design. It's similarly, we need to change this number into number 2. You run it again, and then we can run all the code. You can see here RCBD, and when you run the code plot, you can see. And this is RCBD. And now the design is randomized complete block design. And this is the first block, this is the second block, and this is the third block. For the first option, the level are assigned as 0 and 1, but actually, in the real life, we normally want to label as the way we want. So we're going to do the second way. We label the treatment manually. For example, we want to create a design have 2 factors, genotype and treatment. And the genotype have 2 levels and treatment has 3 levels. So we use the code rep and we name it factors. We run this code. After we run that code, we need to create the levels. So as you can see here, the genotype have 2 levels, A and B, and treatment have 3 levels, T0, T1, and T2. We run this code. After we run this code, we need to create a data frame, and we name it as data_factorial. And we use the code data.frame, and we use a list function, and the factor here is equal factors. and level equal levels here. We run this code. Now we can print, and we have a data frame. It has factor and level. So factor has two factors, genotype and judgment. And number of levels for the first factor has 2, A and B, and second factor has 3 levels, T0, 1, and 2. Now we're going to create a design. So in this code, for the set factors, we use now. That means we don't use this code. But we use all the other code as above, except for the seed number, we use 3 to 6. You can select another seed number if you want. The location name, we use location 1. But here it's different. The data we use, the data underscore Factorial as we create above. Now we run this code. After we run that code, we can check the information. As we can see here, the factors has 2, genotype judgment. And the levels, for the first factor has 2 levels, A and B, and the second factor has 3 levels, T0, T1, and T2. And the combination have 6, because 2 multiplied 3 equals 6. And all judgment here. The number of replicate we use is 4. And location number is 1. And the name of location is log1. And the type of design is CRD. It is complete randomized design. And this is the level of each factor, 2 and 3. And this is the ID for design. Now we're going to see the design as a table. Here, as you can see, the first column is ID, and then location, and then plot number. And this is a replicate. There are 4 replicate. And this is the factor genotype. And this one the factor judgment. And here is a combination between 2 factors. We also can see the design as a graph. We run this code. And this is the design as a graph. And this is complete randomized design. You also can create a RCBD design by replace the number 1 here with the number 2. You run it. And then you run this again. And now we can see this is RCBD design. If you want to save this design for the report, you can export into the image. And we use this code and run it. Now we can check the design. And this is the design. That ends for today. I hope the video is useful for you. Thank you for the watching.